Hello students, I am Udesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the fourth chapter of Geography of class 9. The title of the chapter is Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In the previous video, we have discussed about the factors affecting natural vegetation. In this video, we are going to discuss importance of forest, change in nature of vegetation in India, and types of vegetation in India. Importance of forests. Forests are advantageous for environment. They influence climate, reduce soil erosion, regulate stream flow, provide raw material for industries and livelihood for many. They control wind force and temperature and cause rainfall. They also provide shelter to various animal species. Factors like growing demand for cultivated land, development of industries and mining, urbanization have changed natural vegetation. The vegetation cover of India in large part is no more natural in the real sense, except in some inaccessible regions like the Himalayas, the hilly region, or central India and the Maruvasthali. In most of the places, it is either modified, replaced, or degraded by human interference. Now, ecosystem. All the plants and animals in an area are interdependent and interrelated to each other in their physical environment, and it is known as ecosystem. Human beings are also an integral part of the ecosystem. Human beings utilize the vegetation and wildlife. The greed of human beings lead to overutilization of these resources. They cut the trees and kill the animals, creating ecological imbalance. As a result, some of the plants and animals have reached at the verge of extinction. Biome. A large ecosystem of land having distinct types of vegetation and animal life is called a biome, and it is identified on the basis of plants. The types of vegetation. The relief and climatic factors develop different types of vegetation. Based on the major forest types, India has 5 types of vegetation. First, tropical rainforest. It is also known as tropical evergreen forest. Second, tropical deciduous forest. Third, tropical thorn forests and scrubs. Fourth, mountain forests. And fifth, mangrove forest. First, tropical rainforest. It is also known as tropical evergreen forest. They cover about 12% of the total forest area of India. They are found in areas where the annual rainfall is over 200 cm with a short dry season. Regions of these forests are western slopes of Western Ghats, both groups of islands, it means Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands, upper parts of Assam and some part of the coast of Tamil Nadu and Odisha. Characteristics of tropical evergreen forest, it means tropical rainforest. These forests have abundant vegetation with tall trees. It means the height of the trees of this forest is up to 60 meter, and we can also find creepers and bushes there. The vegetation occurred here is multi-layered in structure. These appear green throughout the year as the trees shed their leaves at different times. Ebony, mahogany, cinchona, rubber and rosewood trees are useful commercial trees found in this forest. Animals found here include rhinoceros, elephants, various species of monkeys, lemur, deer, many bird varieties, bats, sloth, scorpions and snails. In the next video, we will discuss about the tropical deciduous forest and tropical thorn forests and scrubs